Suppose you're overwhelmed, your heart is pounding, and your thoughts are racing, stacking on top of each other like a runaway train. You feel like you need to do something, but everything feels like too much. That's where this lecture comes in. In moments like these, your brain doesn't need long talks or deep insight. It needs a fast and reliable reset. That's why in this lecture, you will learn the label, breathe, move method, a quick, science-backed strategy to interrupt the mental chaos, ground your emotions, and get your thinking brain back online. This isn't about ignoring how you feel. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to interrupt emotional spirals using a fast, structured approach. Understand how each step helps calm your nervous system. Apply this tool in real time, even in public or high-pressure moments, when everything escalates too fast. Let's say you're sitting in a meeting and suddenly someone challenges your idea. Your chest tightens, your mind starts defending or doubting itself, and your attention narrows. You feel hijacked, but there's no time to step away. This is when you need something fast and internal, a way to calm your nervous system in real time. That's where label, breathe, move comes in. This three-step tool was developed from research in emotional regulation and somatic psychology. It works because it combines mind recognition, breath control, and body movement, the three systems that help reset the stress response. The science behind it. According to a 2007 UCLA study, simply labeling an emotion, like saying I feel angry or this is shame, reduces activity in the amygdala, the emotional center, and increases activity in the prefrontal cortex, your thinking brain. Breathing, especially extended exhalation, signals safety to your vagus nerve, which slows your heart rate. And physical movement, even something small like shifting your posture or unclenching your hands, tells your body the threat has passed. The tool, label, breathe, move. Step 1, label. Silently name what you're feeling. I'm anxious. This is embarrassing. My brain is spinning right now. This helps you shift from being the emotion to noticing the emotion. Step 2, breathe. Take 3 deep, slow breaths. Inhale through your nose, 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth, 6 seconds. Focus on extending the exhale. This is what tells your body it's safe. Step 3, move. Do something physical, even subtle. Shift your weight in your seat. Stretch your hands. Tap your foot gently. Roll your shoulders. Movement helps release the tension your body stores during stress and sends the brain a reset signal. Example, the interview freeze. Omar is in the middle of a job interview when the panel asks a question he didn't expect. He freezes. His heart races. His mind goes blank. Instead of panicking, he silently labels it. I'm nervous. That's all. He inhales, exhales slowly, and subtly adjusts how he's sitting, grounding himself through physical motion. That simple act of label, breathe, move gives him just enough calm to recover and answer the question. You don't need to power through stress or wait for the perfect time to calm down. Label, breathe, move gives you a fast, discreet way to stay in control even during intense or public situations.